So basically we have a GUI made in Python, and basically when you open it, this is what appears, and you can build your driver. So there we
Each
go.
one of those buttons are like executing shell commands that build the driver for us.
Then you can load the driver. So there you can see driver loaded successfully. So that detects the major number, and then it inserts it once it finds the major number. Then you can spin the wheel. So there you go. And then the terminal, it prints out just to show that the device opened successfully and that the spin command was sent successfully, and then the winning LED was GPIO pin 4. And then we also have a proc file that you can see the stats. So when you click on that, it just cats the proc file, and then it prints out. So the winning LED in the last cycle was 4, and then we spun it once. So if we spun it again, and then if we clicked on show stats again, it would say 2, because the amount of time since we booted up was 2. And then you can automatically unload it then, like that then. So then it unloads the driver, and then it does a make clean command, which removes then all the files that were created on the make.